Hey guys, we are back with another hairstyling video. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this cute protective style on my son Theodore. Before we get started, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you are notified each time we drop a video. And if you like this video, please share with your family and friends. So after wash day, my son's hair was quickly placed in an easy style, but now it's time to cornrow it into a protective style. I never manipulate his hair when it is dry. Here I am spritzing it with water before I begin. The first separation is done diagonally, from the front left to the back right. I'm going to have the first cornrow going in that direction. After separating, I make sure to spritz the section a little bit more and add my detangling cream. The cream I'm using is by Shea Moisture Extra Moisture Detangler with sea kelp and argan oil. I find this really works well with his hair. First, I start detangling with a wide tooth comb. Then I go through again with a regular. Brushing the front to get the flyaway hairs, then I begin to cornrow.
Kiirya Beats on the track.
The second separation will be diagonal as well, but in the other direction and crossing over the first cornrow. Spritz, cream, detangle, then cornrow. continuing the braid over the first cornrow and feeding into the other side.
Kiirya Beats on the track.
Now, allowing for a bit of creativity, I simply judge where I want the next cornrow to start and end and work through it that way. As I'm cornrowing, I'm thinking about the angles and the shapes that I want to create and where I want the braids or cornrows to be. This one, I will cross over the previous braid since I want all cornrows to end at the bottom and not randomly in the middle of his head. This section can take 2 cornrows, so I will separate it in order to accommodate 2.
Kiirya Beats on the track.
With this last cornrow on this side, I feed in the previous braid. onto the other side. I'm aiming to have the cornrow cross over the other cornrows as well, then creating more crossovers. Spritz, cream, detangle.
Kiirya Beats on the track.
It's looking like everything is coming together. Just a few more at the back and attaching the other cornrows.
Kiirya Beats on the track.
To keep up with me and the family, check out my Instagram at TassieH. The style is now complete. What do you guys think? Drop a thumbs up emoji in the comments and let me know if you guys will be trying out this hairstyle on your little ones. Make sure to share this video with a friend or family member. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you know when next I post a video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.